What is going on, guys? I am Josh from TheFrugalBoys, and I have another unboxing for you today. I got a pair of Adidas basketball shoes from the Adidas outlet up in Florida. They have some nice deals out there. So these are a pair of basketball shoes. Keep that in mind. So that should give you a hint on what's in this box. Well, you'll probably see the logo and know what it is. So let's just get straight inside this box. So the reason why I copped this pair of basketball shoes is because I have a basketball game coming up, and I have old basketball shoes over there. If you can see it, the KD9s, they are too small for me, size 10, but it is all good. I got this pair of Hardens right in front of me. So I grabbed the Harden Volume 1s. The colorway is, if I can see, it does not say, but they are white and red. Like the toe part of the shoe is white, so that should give me an idea of what they look like. I got these shoes not for retail. They were $140 for retail, and I got them for $110 minus $30, which is not a bad price. Yeah, let's just go and open these shoes up. Oh yes, yep. Like I said, white and red right here. Oh my goodness, these are nice. I like the logo. I like Harden's logo, but they kind of do look like an eye if you go from this perspective. It looks good still. So these are it right here. These are a really nice pair of basketball shoes. I have tried them on. I have if you could say, check the traction on these. I checked the traction on these. They're okay, but let's just head into the materials. So we have Boost right here. Of course, Adidas got to hit up the Boost in the Hardens. Some type of leather. They're okay. They're comparable, not really, to the Nike SBs, but the leather's pretty nice. The shoelaces, pretty cool, I guess. They're like red and orange. They're pretty nice. So yeah, there's orange in the insoles. They look nice, really nice. The traction for some, like the way they did this, the soles, I don't know what they did here. I don't know what they did here. It's some sort of spider web looking thing. Like, yeah, it does look like a spider web. It works okay, I guess. Got the signature right there. Yeah, this pair of basketball shoe is pretty good. I'm gonna get an on feet on here soon. I will. Let me get to the details of these first. Oh, I think these are 3M. Yeah, this is 3M right here. I did not notice that until now. This is 3M. These shoes are actually pretty comfortable. These shoes are pretty comfortable. For some reason, they came kind of dirty when I already bought them. I did not notice they were dirty. I should have picked up a different pair, probably. Not a different pair, a different, the same shoe, a different, pair of the same shoe. They are kind of dirty, if you can see that right here. They're kind of dirty, and there's a thing of scuff right there. Yeah, I mean, I did ball them, not really ball. I just put them on, checked the traction, but I'm pretty sure I did not scuff these. But they are overall nice pair. Has some sort of like, it's not mesh. I know it's not mesh. It's like, I don't know, but it's like weird. But it's cool. It's just for like a portion of the shoe right here. Then you got some mesh right here. Pretty nice mesh all over here. Mesh, all mesh. Then you got leather. Under this is mesh though. It's just the leather's covering all over it. Boost right here. It's all in the sole down here. It's not part of here. Overall nice shoe. James Harden. Did I say Jordan Harden? James Harden's a really good basketball player. So let's just get straight into these on feet.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the bills we take have seemed to